Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video made by Sodexis. In this new video we're going to see how we can edit templates, the email templates, which allows you to send to your customers, and how we can change the format date. For example, if you would like to change it from the Anglo-Saxon format, which is MM/DD YYY or YYY/MM/DD into the French format, which is DD/MM/YYY. So to do this, very simple, we're gonna go to the email template list. To do this, very simple, you just type on your main page, you just type email templates here. So you open one, and for the video purposes, we're gonna choose the invoice sending here. Perfect. And when you open it, we can see that there are some placeholders data highlighted with this information here. And other than that, we can see that there is a text that you can set manually for your templates. Okay, so in our case, what we're gonna do is we need to specify to add a new date placeholder, which will allow us to use and to change the format, the date format after that. Okay, so for this one, we will just type / and then we will select the dynamic placeholder here on the list. And once it is done, we will just type date here and we will select the due date here. And let's insert it. Perfect. Then we will open the translation, because in Odoo you have the possibility to translate your templates. So to do that, you just click on EN here, which stands for English. When you open it, you will have a pop-up displaying here, which allows you to specify to edit the English and the French translations here. Okay, so and let's just make a search for invoice here, for example, and if I go to the French format, French translation here, I can see that I have my code here in the French translation, which allows me to set this specific French format date, okay, which is here, and we can see that this is the DD/MM/YYY format. Okay, perfect. Let's do the same in the English format. So that means for the customers on which the English language is set. Okay, so let's do this together here. Let's first find the placeholder that we've just add here with our placeholder field, which is object.invoice/dat/due. So let's just find it here, which is here. Okay, so instead of having this line, let's just try it again and find. Perfect, so it is here, and let's just replace it by our French format. Let's just save. Okay, perfect, and go to the accounting module here. Let's create a new invoice, for example, for the date. Then let's just add a new item here. Let's confirm, and let's send a message here. And as you can see, our date format here is DD/MM/YYY. So exactly what we are expecting for. Okay, perfect. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it will be helpful for you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team at Sodexis. Bye bye.